Minasan, konnichiwa. Express Japanese no Priya desu. Hello everyone, I'm Priya from Express Japanese. Welcome to chapter 3 of this vocabulary series. In this lesson, we will cover two important topics. First is demonstrative adjectives kono, sono, ano, and the second is about family members. Information about the handout of this lesson will be provided at the end of this video. This lesson will help you to introduce your family members along with your friends' family members. If you have any questions about this lesson, please let us know in the comment section below. それでは始めましょう。This lesson has 5 sections. If you want to skip a certain section or learn a specific thing, then you can find the timestamps in the description. Let us first see all the vocabularies we will be studying in this lesson.
This,
Kono,
that,
sono,
that over there,
ano,
which,
dono,
which,
dore,
woman,
onna,
man,
otoko,
adult,
otona,
girl,
onna no ko,
boy,
otoko no ko,
my grandfather,
sofu,
my grandmother,
sobo,
my father,
chichi,
my mother,
haha,
my uncle,
oji,
my aunt,
oba,
my elder brother,
ani,
my elder sister,
ane,
my younger brother,
ototo,
my younger sister,
imoto,
my husband,
otto,
my wife,
tsuma,
my son,
musuko,
my daughter,
musume,
my grandchild,
mago,
grandfather,
oji-san,
grandmother,
oba-san,
father,
otou-san,
mother,
okaa-san,
uncle,
oji-san,
aunt,
oba-san,
elder brother,
oni-san,
elder sister,
one-san,
younger brother,
ototo-san,
younger sister,
imoto-san,
husband,
goshujin,
wife,
oku-san,
son,
musuko-san,
daughter,
musume-san,
grandchild,
omago-san,
family,
kazoku,
baby,
aka-chan,
child,
kodomo,
parents,
ryoshin,
siblings,
kyodai,
married couple,
fufu,
my husband,
shujin,
my wife,
kanai,
my cousin.
itoko. And now, let us do a quick recap of the words we learned in the previous lesson. For more details of previous lesson, please go to the link provided in the description or click on the card popping on your screen.
0,
Rei, 0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7, 7,
8,
8、
9,
9、9、
10,
10、
11,
11、
25,
25、
100,
100、
110,
110、
200,
200、
1000,
1000、
1122,
1222、
10,000,
万、
100,000,
10万、
million,
100万、
10 million.
1000万、
This,
これ、
that,
それ、
that over there.
あれ、
Same,
同じ、
company.
会社、
Yes,
はい、
no.
いいえ、
Newspaper,
新聞、
magazine,
雑誌、
umbrella.
傘、
Who,
誰、
please.
どうぞ、
Work,
仕事、
document.
資料、
Yesterday,
昨日、
today,
今日、
tomorrow.
明日、
Water,
水、
green tea,
お茶、
black tea,
紅茶、
juice,
ジュース、
person,
人、
beautiful,
きれい、
all,
全部、
bag,
カバン、
camera.
カメラ。Now, let us study all the new words along with examples and grammar patterns.
This,
この、この、この本は私のです。
this book is mine.
この本は私のです。
この noun one は noun to this.
この本は私のです。
That,
その、その。その方はどなたですか？
who is that person?
その方はどなたですか？
その noun はどなたですか？
その方はどなたですか？
That over there.
あの、あの。あのカバンはきれいです。
That bag is beautiful.
あのカバンはきれいです。
あの noun は adjective です。
あのカバンはきれいです。
Which,
どの、どの。どの傘ですか？
which umbrella?
どの傘ですか？
どの noun ですか？
どの傘ですか？
Which,
どれ、どれ。ゆきさんのカバンはどれですか？
which is Yuki-san's bag?
ゆきさんのカバンはどれですか？
noun 1 の noun 2はどれですか？
ゆきさんのカバンはどれですか？
woman,
女、女。あの女の人は誰ですか？
who's that woman?
あの女の人は誰ですか？
あの noun は誰ですか？
あの女の人は誰ですか？
man,
男、 男。あの男の人はハンサムです。
That man is handsome.
あの男の人はハンサムです。
Ano noun wa adjective this.
あの男の人はハンサムです。
Adult.
大人。大人。大人の数が多いです。
Number of adults are more.
大人の数が多いです。
Noun 1 no noun 2 ga adjective this.
大人の数が多いです。
Boy.
男の子。男の子。あの男の子は私の友達です。
That boy is my friend.
あの男の子は私の友達です。
Ano noun 1 wa noun 2 no noun 3 this.
あの男の子は私の友達です。
Girl.
女の子。女の子。あの女の子は可愛いです。
That girl is cute.
あの女の子は可愛いです。
Ano noun wa adjective this.
あの女の子は可愛いです。
My grandfather.
祖父。祖父。祖父に会います。
I'll meet my grandfather.
祖父に会います。
Noun ni verb.
祖父に会います。
My grandmother.
祖母。祖母。祖母はとっても優しいです。
My grandmother is very kind.
祖母はとっても優しいです。
Noun wa adverb plus adjective this.
祖母はとっても優しいです。
My father.
父。父は医者です。
My father is a doctor.
父は医者です。
Noun 1 wa noun 2 this.
父は医者です。
My mother.
母。母は先生です。
My mother is a teacher.
母は先生です。
Noun 1 wa noun 2 this.
母は先生です。
My uncle.
おじ。おじは弁護士です。
My uncle is a lawyer.
おじは弁護士です。
Noun 1 wa noun 2 this.
おじは弁護士です。
My aunt.
おばは看護師です。
My aunt is a nurse.
おばは看護師です。
Noun 1 wa noun 2 this.
おばは看護師です。
My elder brother.
兄はエンジニアです。
My elder brother is an engineer.
兄はエンジニアです。
Noun 1 wa noun 2 this.
兄はエンジニアです。
My elder sister.
姉は女優です。
My elder sister is an actress.
姉は女優です。
Noun 1 wa noun 2 this.
姉は女優です。
My younger brother.
弟は7歳です。
My younger brother is 7 years old.
弟は7歳です。
Noun wa number plus age counter this.
弟は7歳です。
My younger sister.
妹 妹。妹は高校生です。
My younger sister is a high school student.
妹は高校生です。
Noun 1 は Noun 2です。
妹は高校生です。
My husband.
夫。夫。夫は賢いです。
My husband is smart.
夫は賢いです。
Noun は Adjective です。
夫は賢いです。
My wife.
妻。妻。妻は主婦です。
My wife is a housewife.
妻は主婦です。
Noun 1は Noun 2です。
妻は主婦です。
My son.
息子。息子。息子は小学生です。
My son is a primary school student.
息子は小学生です。
Noun 1は Noun 2です。
息子は小学生です。
My daughter.
娘。娘。娘はダンスが好きです。
My daughter likes dance.
娘はダンスが好きです。
Noun 1は Noun 2が好きです。
娘はダンスが好きです。
My grandchild.
孫。孫。孫は車が好きです。
My grandchild like cars.
孫は車が好きです。
Noun 1は Noun 2が好きです。
孫は車が好きです。
Grandfather.
おじいさん。おじいさん。おじいさんはおいくつですか？
How old is your grandfather?
おじいさんはおいくつですか？
Noun はおいくつですか？
おじいさんはおいくつですか？
Grandmother.
おばあさん。おばあさん。おばあさんはお元気ですか？
How is your grandmother?
おばあさんはお元気ですか？
Noun はお元気ですか？
おばあさんはお元気ですか？
Father.
お父さん。お父さん。トムさんのお父さんは有名な医者です。
Tom's father is a famous doctor.
トムさんのお父さんは有名な医者です。
Noun は Adjective plus Noun です。
トムさんのお父さんは有名な医者です。
Mother.
お母さん。お母さん。ジョンさんのお母さんは日本人です。
John's mother is a Japanese.
ジョンさんのお母さんは日本人です。
Noun 1は Noun 2です。
ジョンさんのお母さんは日本人です。
Uncle.
おじさん。おじさん。おじさんの家に行きますか？
Will you go to your uncle's house?
おじさんの家に行きますか？
Noun 1の Noun 2に Verb.
おじさんの家に行きますか？
Aunt.
おばさん。おばさん。おばさんは女優ですか？
Is your aunt an actress?
おばさんは女優ですか？
Noun 1は Noun 2ですか？
おばさんは女優ですか？
elder brother,
お兄さん。お兄さん。お兄さんは東京にいますか？
is your elder brother in Tokyo?
お兄さんは東京にいますか？
noun 1は noun 2にいますか？
お兄さんは東京にいますか？
elder sister,
お姉さん。お姉さん。お姉さんは会社員ですか？
is your elder sister a company employee?
お姉さんは会社員ですか？
noun 1は noun 2ですか？
お姉さんは会社員ですか？
younger brother,
弟さん。弟さん。これは弟さんのコートです。
this is your younger brother's coat.
これは弟さんのことです。
これは noun 1の noun 2です。
これは弟さんのことです。
younger sister,
妹さん。妹さん。山田さんの妹さんはバイトをしますか？
Yamada's younger sister does a part-time job.
山田さんの妹さんはバイトをしますか？
noun 1は noun 2をしますか？
山田さんの妹さんはバイトをしますか？
husband,
ご主人。ご主人。佐藤さんのご主人はロンドンにいますか？
Miss Sato's husband is in London.
佐藤さんのご主人はロンドンにいますか？
noun は place にいますか？
佐藤さんのご主人はロンドンにいますか？
wife,
奥さん。奥さん。加藤さんの奥さんは有名な弁護士です。
Mr. Kato's wife is a famous lawyer.
加藤さんの奥さんは有名な弁護士です。
noun 1は na adjective plus noun 2です。
加藤さんの奥さんは有名な弁護士です。
son,
息子さん。息子さん。友達の息子さんは天才です。
my friend's son is a genius.
友達の息子さんは天才です。
noun は adjective です。
友達の息子さんは天才です。
daughter,
娘さん。娘さん。娘さんは何歳ですか？
what is the age of your daughter?
娘さんは何歳ですか？
noun は number plus age counter です。
娘さんは何歳ですか？
family,
家族。家族。ご家族は何人ですか？
how many members are there in your family?
ご家族は何人ですか？
noun は何人ですか？
ご家族は何人ですか？
baby,
赤ちゃん。赤ちゃん。かわいい赤ちゃん。
cute baby.
かわいい赤ちゃん。
adjective plus noun.
かわいい赤ちゃん。
child,
子供。子供。子供が欲しいです。
I want a child.
子供が欲しいです。
noun が欲しいです。
子供が欲しいです。
parents,
両親。 ryoshin. Watashi no ryoshin wa kibishii desu.
My parents are strict.
Watashi no ryoshin wa kibishii desu.
Noun wa adjective desu.
Watashi no ryoshin wa kibishii desu.
Siblings.
Kyodai. Kyodai. Watashi wa 2 kyodai desu.
I have 2 siblings.
Watashi wa 2 kyodai desu.
Watashi wa number plus people counter kyodai desu.
Watashi wa 2 kyodai desu.
Married couple.
Fufu. Fufu. あの夫婦は素敵ですね。
That couple is lovely, isn't it?
あの夫婦は素敵ですね。
Noun wa adjective desu ne.
あの夫婦は素敵ですね。
My husband.
主人。主人。今日は主人の誕生日です。
Today is my husband's birthday.
今日は主人の誕生日です。
Kyou wa noun no tanjobi desu.
今日は主人の誕生日です。
My wife.
家内。家内。家内の電話でした。
That was my wife's call.
家内の電話でした。
Noun 1 no noun 2 deshita.
家内の電話でした。
Cousin.
いとこ。いとこ。マイクは私のいとこです。
Mike is my cousin.
マイクは私のいとこです。
Noun 1 wa noun 2 no noun 3 desu.
マイクは私のいとこです。はい、よかったです。Now let us study some important concepts in more detail. Our first concept for today is about demonstrative adjectives. Kono, sono, ano are similar to this, that and that over there in English. Their usage depends on how close or far the object is from the speaker. We use kono noun when the object is close to the speaker. We use sono noun when the object is close to the listener. We use ano noun when the object is far away from both of them. As you might have noticed, kono, sono, ano are always followed by a noun. Now, let's see an illustration to understand it more clearly. In this scenario, the book is with the speaker. So we will point at the book and say, Kono hon wa watashi no desu. Now, the book is with the listener. So speaker will say, Sono hon wa watashi no desu. And last, the book is away from both of them. So the speaker will say, Ano hon wa watashi no desu. Now is kaiwa time. Let us see some simple conversations using kono, sono and ano. We have Yuki and Taro with us. Yuki says, Kono hon wa dare no desu ka? Which means, whose book is this? And Taro says, Watashi no desu, it's mine. Hai, kaiwa ni. Yuki says, Sono kata wa donata desu ka? Meaning, who is that person? And Taro says, Kono kata wa watashi no haha desu. Means, this is my mother. Kaiwa-san. Yuki says, Ano kuruma wa ikura desu ka? Meaning, how much is that car for? Taro says, Ano kuruma wa 200 man yen desu. That car is for 2 million yen. Well, now you might be wondering that kono, sono, ano, which has same meaning as kore, sore, yare, then when to use kore and when to use kono? The primary difference is that kono, sono, ano are adjectives and must be followed by a noun. In comparison, remember that kore, sore, are pronouns and they can stand alone. think as Kore Suryare as bachelors while Kono Sono Ano as a married couple. So let's see an example. Kono hon wa watashi no desu. Notice that kono has come with the noun hon. Next, kore wa hon desu. Here kore stands alone. But please make a note, kore hon desu is a wrong way because kore is never followed by a noun. Another difference is that kono sono ano gives more information about the noun, whereas kore suryare do not. For example, kono hon wa omoshiroi desu, meaning this book is interesting. So this statement is giving more information about how the book is. But if you take a simple sentence, kore wa hon desu, it is just saying that this is a book and does not give any extra information about the book. Often learners make a mistake as kore hon wa omoshiroi desu, which is a wrong usage because kore is never followed by a noun. Next, let's see some conversations using kore sore are. Here, Yuki is asking, kore wa jisho desu ka? Is this a dictionary? And Taro says, iie, sore wa kyokasho desu. No, that is a textbook. Notice here that when both the speaker and the listener are close enough, they can consider themselves as one entity and refer to an object near to them as kore. So Taro can also say, iie, kore wa kyokasho desu. Next, let's see Kaiwa 5. Yuki is asking, sore wa jisho desu ka? Now, if Taro wants to say that no, it is a textbook, and he feels that the book is little away from him, he will reply, iie, sore wa kyokasho desu. But if he feels the book is little closer to him, he can say, iie, kore wa kyokasho desu. Next, Kaiwa 6. Here, Yuki says, are wa jisho desu ka? Now as we can see that the dictionary is away from both of them, so Taro will answer, iie, are wa kyokasho desu. Next, we have dore and dono. Dore and dono are the question words for demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Dore and dono has the same meaning, which. Let us see some difference. Since kono sono ano is always followed by a noun, the question word dono is always followed by a noun. So, if you put dono in the beginning of the sentence, you can say like, dono kuruma ga Yuki-san no desu ka? And if you would like to put it in the end, you can say, Yuki-san no kuruma wa dono kuruma desu ka? But you cannot say, Yuki-san no kuruma wa dono desu ka? Why? Because dono is always followed by a noun. Next, we have WH word dore. Dore also means which. And since kore sore are are not followed by a noun, even dore is not followed by a noun. So by putting dore in the beginning of the sentence, we can say, dore ga Yuki-san no kuruma desu ka? Make a note here that when dore is used in the beginning, it is followed by a ga particle. When we want to use dore in the end, we can make a sentence like, Yuki-san no kuruma wa dore desu ka? Now, do not make a mistake of placing a noun after dore by saying like, Yuki-san no kuruma wa dore kuruma desu ka? It is incorrect. Yes, that's all about demonstrative pronouns and adjectives. If you have any questions about this topic, please let us know in the comment section. Next, we will study words about kazoku, that is family. In Japanese, there are two ways of calling family members. One is about your own family and the other is about someone else's family. Let's learn with an example. This is Yuki. Now let's see how she introduces her family. This is me, watashi. We studied this in the first lesson. If you want to revise it, please check its link in the description. Yuki refers her husband as Otto. Otto. Yuki refers her mother as Haha. Haha. My father is Chichi. Chichi. My daughter is Musume. Musume. My son is Musuko. Musuko. My elder sister is Ane. Ane. My elder brother is Ani. Ani. My younger sister is Imoto. Imoto. My younger brother is Ototo. Ototo. My aunt is Oba. Oba. My uncle is Oji. Oji. My grandmother is Sobo. Sobo. My grandfather Sofu. Sofu. Let's see one more example. We have Yuki's friend Taro. Taro wants to speak about Yuki's family. Let's see how he does it. Make a note of the changes in the words. This is Yuki-san. Taro refers Yuki's husband as Goshujin. Goshujin. Now, Taro refers Yuki's mother as Okaa-san. Okaa-san. Yuki's father is Otoo-san. Otoo-san. Yuki's daughter Musume-san. Musume-san. Yuki's son Musuko-san. Musuko-san. Yuki's elder sister One-san. One-san. Yuki's elder brother Oni-san. Oni-san. Yuki's younger sister Imoto-san. Imoto-san. Yuki's younger brother Ototo-san. Ototo-san. Yuki's aunt Oba-san. Oba-san. Yuki's uncle Oji-san. Oji-san. Yuki's grandmother Oba-san. Oba-san. Yuki's grandfather Oji-san. Oji-san. Now let us see some special cases along with examples. First is Haha and Okaa-san, which means mother. We had learnt a formal way to say my mother when talking to others is Haha. So when you want to say my mother is a teacher, you will say Watashi no haha wa sensei desu. An informal way can be Watashi no okaa-san wa sensei desu. We will just learn about it in couple of minutes. When you want to speak about your friend's mother, you should say Tanaka-san no okaa-san wa sensei desu. In business level Japanese, people usually add more respect by adding sama in place of san. For example, Tanaka-san no okaa-sama wa sensei desu. But make a note here that Tanaka-san no haha wa sensei desu is incorrect. Why? Because haha refers to my mother. Similarly, my father is chichi. So a formal way to talk about your father would be Watashi no chichi wa isha desu. My father is a doctor. If you want to say in a little informal way, like my daddy is a doctor, you can say Watashi no oto-san wa isha desu. Now let us try speaking about Tanaka's father. Tanaka-san no ototo-san wa isha desu. In a business level conversation, they say Tanaka-san no oto-sama wa isha desu. Again make a note here that Tanaka-san no chichi wa isha desu is not correct. Next. Until now we were learning how to refer to our family when talking to someone else. Now we will see how to directly address our family members. How will Yuki-san call her husband? There are many ways to do that. Young couples nowadays call directly by their names. Some of them add kun or chan after their first name. For example, Yuki-chan, Taro-kun. And couples having kids usually say mama or papa to each other. Some of them also say anata directly. Now, in English as well, when you want to call your mother, you prefer saying mommy or mom, isn't it? And not mother. So when calling your mother in Japanese, we use mama or okaa-san and not haha. So if you just want to say, Mom, I'm hungry, you can say Mama, onaka suita yo, or Okaa-san, onaka suita yo. Similarly, for For calling your father, you can use Papa or Otoo-san. So if Yuki wants some pocket money from her father, she'll say Papa ichimane no kudasai or Otoo-san ichimane no kudasai. Now let's see how will parents call their kids. Parents will directly call kids by their names, or they add kun after their son's name and chan after their daughter's name. For example, Yuki wants to call her son Kohei. She will say Kohei kochikite or Kohei kun kochikite. And if Yuki wants to say her daughter Nozomi, please sleep, she'll say Nozomi nenasai or Nozomi-chan nenasai. Now let's see how Yuki speaks to her siblings. Many of them call their elder sister as One-san, One-chan or Aneki. Aneki is little colloquial way. Japanese call their elder brother as Oni-san or Oni-chan or Aniki. Do not forget to add honorific san in Oni-san, since Oni in Japanese means demon. While calling your younger brother or sister, you can simply call them by their names, or just add kun or chan after their names. You can call your aunt as Oba-san, or in a more softer tone, you can say Oba-chan. Similarly, you can call your uncle as Oji-san or Oji-chan. And last, you can call your grandmother as Oba-san or Oba-chan. Similarly, grandfather as Oji-san or Oji-chan. Note the difference between aunt and grandmother. As you can see, A is highlighted in Oba-san, while aunt is just Oba-san. Next, let's see some common conversations about family. We have again Yuki and Taro with us. Yuki asks, Gokazoku wa nannin desu ka? And Taro answers, Chichi to, haha to, ane to, ototo to, watashi desu. Zenbu de 5 nin desu. Hai, one last kaiwa. Yuki says, Kyodai wa imasu ka? Taro answers, Ane to ototo ga imasu. So, this was a topic about family members. Do deshita ka? How was it? If you have any questions about this topic, please let us know in the comment section. Let us now revise all the words we learned today.
This,
Kono,
this,
kono,
that,
sono,
that,
sono,
that over there,
ano,
that over there,
ano,
which,
dono,
which,
dono,
which,
dore,
which,
dore,
woman,
onna,
woman,
onna,
man,
otoko,
man,
otoko,
adult,
otona,
adult,
otona,
girl,
onna no ko,
girl,
onna no ko,
boy,
otoko no ko,
boy,
otoko no ko,
my grandfather,
sofu,
my grandfather,
sofu,
my grandmother,
sobo,
my grandmother,
sobo,
my father,
chichi,
my father,
chichi,
my mother,
haha,
my mother,
haha,
my uncle,
oji,
my uncle,
oji,
my aunt,
oba,
my aunt,
oba,
my elder brother,
ani,
my elder brother,
ani,
my elder sister,
ane,
my elder sister,
ane,
my younger brother,
ototo,
my younger brother,
ototo,
my younger sister,
imoto,
my younger sister,
imoto,
my husband,
otto,
my husband,
otto,
my wife,
妻
my wife,
妻
my son,
息子
my son,
息子
my daughter,
娘
my daughter,
娘
my grandchild,
孫
my grandchild,
孫
grandfather,
おじいさん
grandfather,
おじいさん
grandmother,
おばあさん
grandmother,
おばあさん
father,
お父さん
father,
お父さん
mother,
お母さん
mother,
お母さん
uncle,
おじさん
uncle,
おじさん
aunt,
おばさん
aunt,
おばさん
elder brother,
お兄さん
elder sister,
お姉さん
elder sister,
お姉さん
younger brother,
弟さん
younger brother,
弟さん
younger sister,
妹さん
younger sister,
妹さん
husband,
ご主人
husband,
ご主人
wife,
奥さん
wife,
奥さん
son,
息子さん
son,
息子さん
daughter,
娘さん
daughter,
娘さん
grandchild,
お孫さん
grandchild,
お孫さん
family,
家族
family,
家族
baby,
赤ちゃん
baby,
赤ちゃん
child,
子供
child,
子供
parents,
両親
parents,
両親
siblings,
兄弟
siblings,
兄弟
married couple,
夫婦
married couple,
夫婦
my husband,
主人
my husband,
主人
my wife,
家内
my wife,
家内
my cousin,
いとこ
my cousin,
いとこ
handsome,
ハンサム
handsome,
ハンサム
number,
数
number,
数
cute,
かわいい
cute,
かわいい
to meet,
会います
to meet,
会います
kind,
優しい
kind,
優しい
very much,
とても
very much,
とても
nurse,
看護師
nurse,
看護師
actress,
女優
actress,
女優
smart,
賢い
smart,
賢い
housewife,
主婦
housewife,
主婦
dance,
ダンス
dance,
ダンス
house,
家
house,
家
to go,
行きます
to go,
行きます
coat,
コート
coat,
コート
part-time job,
baito,
part-time job.
baito,
London,
rondon,
London.
rondon,
Famous,
yumeina,
famous.
yumeina,
Genius,
tensai,
genius.
tensai,
Park,
koen,
park.
koen,
Strict,
kibishi,
strict.
kibishi,
Lovely,
sticky,
lovely.
sticky,
Birthday,
tanjobi,
birthday.
tanjobi,
Telephone or call,
denwa,
telephone or call.
denwa. Now, let's try a test together. You can pause the video at the beginning of each question and solve it by yourself. Minasan junbi wa do desu ka? Are you ready for the test? There are total 3 questions. Ishoni gambarimashou ne. Hai, mondai 1. Question 1. Match the following words to their appropriate meanings. For example, woman is onna, onna. Time limit to solve this question is 30 seconds. If you need more time, you can pause the video and answer all the questions. Hai, jikan ni narimashita node hajimemashou. Your time starts now. Let's check the answers now. Woman, onna. My father, chichi. My elder brother, ani. Parents, ryoshin. My elder sister, ane. My wife, tsuma. Other's mother, okaa-san. My daughter, musume. Other's husband, goshujin. Baby, Akka-chan. Family, kazoku. Mondai ni, question 2. Make a sentence using the words and grammar pattern mentioned. Reiyo mite mimashou. Let's see an example. For the words and the sentence pattern given in the example, we can make a sentence as yonin desu, meaning 4 people. Now, try this one by yourself. You have 10 seconds to solve it. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. And your time starts now. Kotae desu. The correct answer is Ototo wa kuruma ga suki desu. Ototo wa kuruma ga suki desu. Meaning my younger brother likes cars. One last question. You have 10 seconds to solve it. If you need more time, please feel free to pause the video. And your time starts now. Kotae desu. The correct answer is Imoto wa jouyu desu. Imoto wa jouyu desu. Meaning my younger sister is an actress. Did you get all the answers right? Let us know in the comment section. You can find the handout for this lesson in the description box. In the next video, we will learn about countries in Japanese. If you found this video helpful, please like the video. Also, subscribe to our channel to get updates on new lessons. Nihongo no benkyou tanoshimimashou. That's all for today. Minasan doumo arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you for watching the video. Let's inspire others to learn Japanese.